Hey guys, I have a really quick update for you regarding the SEC versus Coinbase. I know we all blinked. They went from suing Binance, now they're also suing Coinbase. How big, by the way, is the legal team for the SEC? They've got to deal with the FTX debacle, if they're going to be even implemented in that case themselves. They're still fighting XRP. They've got cases against Coinbase, against Binance, against a number of other cryptocurrency platforms. But this one with Coinbase is very different, in my opinion, and others as well, compared to what they are alleging or suing Binance for. With Coinbase, there's, I don't think, any risk of it being a criminal court and having the Department of Justice involved whatsoever. But they're claiming that Coinbase has been operating as an unregistered securities violator basically since 2019, and that is when they started offering staking services. So most likely what people think are going to happen is that Coinbase is going to have to pay a hefty fine if Coinbase chooses to settle this out of court. In addition, they will have to stop offering staking services. The SEC is not trying to kick Coinbase out of the US. They're not trying to ban them from offering any kind of cryptocurrency services. They are probably looking to do that with Binance. Another thing to note here are the cryptocurrencies that the SEC is labeling as securities now. Cardano, Solana, Atom, to name a few, are actually being delisted from platforms like Robinhood, and there's probably others to follow. Now, these platforms that are delisting these coins are doing so prematurely. There is no official ruling on these coins being securities or not. It also remains to be seen if these coins are going to be in court cases themselves against the SEC in the future. There's also some drama with Coinbase asking the SEC for clarity on if they will be providing rulemaking specifically for the cryptocurrency sector. And the SEC is always, what they've said in the past is, you know what, the clarity is there. Our guidelines are out there. But the thing is that cryptocurrency exchanges literally cannot register with the SEC. Their functions, their operations do not align with the traditional financial world. There are some untruths being told there from Gary Gensler especially. Now there is a court that has ordered the SEC to respond within 7 days to Coinbase on, number one, if they're going to provide more clarity in regards to rulemaking. Number two, if they need more time to provide an answer. If so, how much more time? And number three, if they're not going to provide more rulemaking, they're going to need to justify that decision as well. So just a really quick update for you guys. The SEC is going ham on the crypto industry, but Bitcoin is doing fine. So dollar cost average, if you haven't tried that investment strategy yet, I highly recommend it, especially in times like this when dips present themselves. Go ahead and maybe add some stacks. Not financial advice, just my opinion and something you should look into. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.